My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2014 Volkswagen Toureg. This vehicle has done just under 63,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons just below, we can access radio and media, smartphone integration, climate control, navigation, car, traffic reports and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.